welcome you all to this classes. Today we are going to discuss regarding the intermolecular space, which is a part of chemistry of O level and both for O level, both for BdChO and Cambridge curriculum. So before going to start today's discussion regarding intermolecular space, I would like to introduce our newly designed website. You can see here in the screen. That is mustbe.org, and courses regarding the Bangla medium and English versions. Bangla medium for standard 8 to HSC, and then English version O level 11 and standard 8 to A level. All the courses and the materials will be available under these sections. If you go for mock test, then you will get it here. If you go for Cambridge curriculum, you will get it here. And then if you are looking for Excel curriculum, then you will get under these sections. So this is the complete website for the complete preparations of O level and A level and Cambridge curriculum. So if you are a guardian or if you are a student and you're looking for or planning for having online educations or trying to get the academic support to your kids, or if you are a teachers to who are looking for the standard platform for uploading or for conducting in the own classes, you can also communicate to us. Now coming back to our students, so I would like to introduce you. This website is a fully online based curriculum, providing the online based curriculum both for Cambridge and BdChO curriculum for all the subjects related to O and A level, both for Cambridge and BdChO curriculum. So for any problem, for solving any academic problems regarding the Cambridge and BdChO curriculum, you should come to our site and knock us so that we can help you to solve your problem at home. So no private teachers and any other institutions will be required for solving your academic problem. This is the complete solution-based educational site where you will get all the things, and you can share us with your questions or the academic problems, so for solving or for getting solutions at your home. So for if you are not registered, you should firstly and foremost things that you have to register first, and after completing your registration, you will be able to send your problem to us to get the solution at home. So any subject related to Cambridge and BdChO curriculum for O and A level, you can get the solution at your home, and you all the content or information may be available or will be available here, and also here in English medium, which include O and A level and the English versions as per national curriculum. So students studying at the English version within English version, for getting the academic solutions of the English version with respect to the national curriculum, you should come here and you should knock the English version button. And after clicking here, you will get the details information here. If you want to read more, then just click on this button. If you want to start now, then you can click here. And if you want to go for registration, if you do not have registration, then you can register here. So students or the kids will get the crystal clear and vivid pictures with the correct pronunciations of all the terminology related to the any subject. So now we are coming back to our discussions again, and we are going to learn our today's classes. That is, we can go for just a few minutes, please. We are coming back with the digital board. We'll have this. So this is our board. Can get it here. Okay. Our board is ready now. So we'll have our details platform here. Now we'll go for discussions. Okay. So this is that we are looking for getting the solutions. So what about the today's discussion? Today we are going to learn regarding the properties related to chemistry or the related to matter. As students of O level, both for Cambridge and EdXL curriculum, you also know the chemistry is the major part of your study, and without learning chemistry, it is not possible to go forward. So we have to learn each and every incidents or each and every chemical properties with with basic. So if you have the crystal clear pictures regarding the basics of each and every incident, then it will be more easier for you or more understandable for you, or it will provide you the more crystal clear and vivid pictures to memorize it and to recall it. One should keep in mind that uh, memorizing something it will not create any dividend to you in the long run. So firstly, you have to try to understand in details. Then you have to find out what the portions of the discussions to be memorized, or what the terminology that are required you to memorize. It will vary depending on the basic of the students or the learners. So you will decide for yourself what are the terminology, what are the points, what are the most important part of the discussions to be memorized. In case of chemistry, there are some things that first and foremost things that you have to memorize, and then you will try to understand. And there are so many things that you have to understand first, then you have to memorize. So today we are going to learn regarding the intermolecular space. Now the question, what is intermolecular space? Intermolecular space is such a thing which change the mindset. What is that? We can say here intermolecular space. You know that if we draw a substance, that substance are formatted like this, right? These are the particles are arranged in a sustained order. These are the solid substance. As the substance is solid, so the molecular arrangement in the substance is the in a gradual and sequence order. So there is a specific rules for arranging the particles within a solid substance. In case of solid substance, there should be an specific rules and regulations for arranging the particles. So the particles between the gap between the two particles, if you think that this is the particle number A1 and this is the particle number A2, then you can see here that there are few gaps here. There are few gaps. This one, this gap. So this is the gap between the two molecules. So intermolecular space is that space which is lying, which contains between the which is staying between the two molecules. So we can define easily the intermolecular space is something that is a clear space between the two molecules. So you can, if you enlarge this particle, so you can see think that this one and this one, there is a few space here. So the space between the two molecules, the space between the two molecules is the intermolecular space. So each and every matter in the solid conditions, there should have a few space. The space between the two molecules is known as the intermolecular space. Got my point? This is the main and basic fundamentals idea. So if you memorize these pictures, if you can save this picture in your mind, then you will not be required to memorize the definitions anymore. Just to focus on the pictures and arrange the concept and write down. That's all. So for establishing or for memorizing or for a better understanding, so that you can you never forget, we will have some visual aspect. Let's just try to start understand the our visual aspect today for you. Okay. So before going to start, I would like to clean my board so that it can help you to understand the in the best options to understand, help you to understand in a best way possible ways. So let's try to understand what is happening here. You can see here, this is the this is the measurement. Uh, you can see this is a measurement instrument, and this is the two portions here, and this is the measuring tools. 100 ml water is taken there, and now you can see. Now you can see this one, this one. This is a measuring flux again, and we are taking 100 ml water. Now think what will happen. Intermolecular space, the space between the molecules of a matter is called intermolecular space. So now we are taking a beaker, water molecule and salt molecule. Can you imagine? There is a water molecule and salt molecule. Okay. Now you can see here the intermolecular space. This one, if we draw this one, this one, intermolecular space. Can you see? Which out of solid, liquid, or gas has molecular space? Again, here is a questions for you. Which out of solid, which out of solid, liquid, or gas has more intermolecular space? You have to find out the answer and write your answer in the comment sections of the video so that I can check it out. If you have any questions that you do not understand for chemistry, O level and N level, you can ask me so that I can solve you. And any questions starting from standard 8 to A level, you can drop here so that I can also try to replay. And also the students coming from English version also can ask your questions so that I can help you. So I hope you understand. And now this is your turn now. Make a comment and let me know so that I can send you the details, pictures on the solutions of each and everything. All our classes are in the animated forms. We try to provide you the animated most possible elevated form that will help you to understand and to keep in mind. One thing you should keep in mind, what you are studying, what you are reading, and how many times you are reading. It will not create any dividend to you. The only thing that will create dividend to you, that is recall, that is output. So for ensuring better output or ensuring the quality input in your brain, you should you should follow one thing, that is the revision procedure that I have already explained to you. How to revise, how to recall, and most importantly, how to input data to your memory. You should learn this. You should practice it. And this practice will create a much more or bigger dividend or the biggest dividend in futures. If you want to be a topper in any exam, this process will help you to be a topper. In any sector, in any case, any business, any profession, this is the most important procedures because each and everywhere there is an application of knowledge. Knowledge itself is a power. The applications of knowledge is power. So you should keep in mind application will be applicable only when you will be able to recall the information from your memory. So in case of chemistry, it is more important to recall the power, to having the power of recalling the data from your brain. So for doing this, you should follow the rules of revisions. And I am also I would also very delighted to introduce you one more important thing that will also help the learners, and the guardians are also advised to ensure this for your kids. That is this one. I can see I can show you this one. Which one? Just coming on. Let's see. Mega Memory audiobook. This one. If it is possible for you, you can collect this book, audiobook. This will help you to know the procedure, to know the application, to know the brain application, to increase or enlarge the memory. Should keep in mind that there is no brain is bad brain. Only there is two things exist in the world. One is trained memory, another is untrained memory or non-trained memory. So in case of consideration of memory or uh, getting the good score in the exams or having the proper positions in the exam, you should ask yourself, is your memory trained or untrained? If your memory is trained, there is no energy, there is no force that can stop you, unless you can stop yourself. So thanks for all. Watch the video again, share it, and if you have any mm, academic problem, you can also drop questions so that I can answer your questions.